मैं जेन को अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रही थी। मैं सोचती थी लेजी हैं, उतने मेहनती नहीं हैं, होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू माय इंटरेक्शंस एक्सपीरियंस। बट ये प्रोटेस्ट देख के तो मतलब मुझे जस्ट सो प्राउड एंड सो लाइक हैप्पी इन अ वे, बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कोई हाथ जोड़ रहा है, कोई पुलिस वाला बोला स्माइल करो, कोई उन्हें फ्लावर्स दे रहा है। एवरीबडी वाज जस्ट सो टुगेदर, यूनाइटेड, पीसफुल। मतलब जितना गुस्सा मेरे अंदर भरा है, मैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि क्या ही कर दूं। बट फिर मुझे लगा यार कमाल की जनरेशन है, शायद सही कर लेंगे। शायद हम उन्हें अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं, मतलब मैं कर रही थी। शायद हमसे बेटर ही करेंगे, फिलहाल देख के लग रहा है। आई वांटेड टू गो टू जंतर मंतर, बट माय फैमिली फ्रेंड्स, mainly family, did not allow that. More than allow, I think they were just really, really stressed about me going alone. And I did not go. And I thought that's okay. I thought I'll support it from here. Moral down हो गया उसके बाद मैं नहीं गई बेसिकली। और अभी मुझे सल्क हो रहा है, बिकॉज of what all I've seen, and I've seen a lot. I think I've sold too much into the protest that is happening, everything around it. And मुझे पूरी knowledge भी नहीं है politics की, and I do not uh, fully support any government also, like any party also. I don't know which system to follow, whom to trust. I'm still building up my knowledge. I'm still trying to figure out who's more dirty, or let's just say that. क्योंकि पूरा दूध का धुला तो कोई नहीं है. And I'm trying to form my own opinion about it. And I was mum for a really long time because life was good. अपने लाला लैंड में थे हम. Single mother, 2 children, very, very privileged life. So did not have any hardship, to be honest. Good schooling, good college. I am, though, any which was a college dropout. Supportive mother, great family. I just felt it personally. I have been feeling personally about all of this for a really long time because of the discrimination that I feel because I've been married to a Muslim. But this time, I think I felt it because now I have 2 children in my life and I would die for them. Like, I love them to bits. I just know that kids dying is wrong. Not able to get an accountability is wrong. Because God forbid, I don't want to see my child at that place in life. So that is wrong. So it's not about a particular political party. It's not about कौन सही है कौन. बहुत बार ये हुआ है that like I post something and one of my friend will be like, oh but कांग्रेस के टाइम पे ये हुआ था. My debate is not that. I am not vouching for a particular party. I am saying today it's their child, tomorrow it can be yours. What is wrong if somebody is trying to ask for accountability? One of my friends says, रेजिग्नेशन लेके क्या होगा. कहीं तो स्टार्ट करोगे आप. कैसे स्टार्ट करोगे. we're all human, we're all trying to figure it out. Nobody knows the perfect solution for anything. So we're all trying to, I'm trying to figure out what's right, what's wrong. Like, I didn't go to Jantar Mantar and now today it feels the worst. I can't sleep. It's probably 2 in the night and I can't sleep. Yeah, it's 2 in the night and I can't sleep. The kind of anxiety that I have right now, it's immense. I don't know who to talk to. I don't know how to comfort myself. So I'm also trying to figure out everything along the way. So I don't know. I don't know if this will end well or not. I don't know. I am just happy that somebody is raising a voice. Somebody has started a movement. Now, with agenda, not agenda, again, we don't know. Let's wait. Let the time show it, right? But जब कोई कहता है कि आप पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करो और लोग करते हैं, उस वक्त में जब आप मारते हो एक 12 साल की बच्ची को या आप किसी का सर फोड़ देते हो, it's really disheartening. And trust me, I've been sad over so many things in past so many years, but I think I had channelized it through talking to my therapist, meeting my friends. But this time I just don't know why it has bothered me to a level where it has shaken up my entire system. I don't want to even want to get into the whole debate of who's right and who's not. It's never ending. मैं आपको बताऊंगी 10 चीजें जो ये गवर्नमेंट गलत कर रही है, आप मुझे पलट के बताओगे 10 चीजें जो पहली वाली गवर्नमेंट ने गलत करी है। पहली वाली गवर्नमेंट के टाइम पे आई वाज अ टीनेजर, आई वाज इन कॉलेज, आई वाज लिविंग माई लाइफ, आई हैड नो नॉलेज, आई हैड नो sense, I had no interest. It didn't hit me personally. I was just enjoying life. I'm glad that Gen Z is more like aware, informed, involved, but I wasn't in my teenage. But I am now, right? So I can only talk about now. I can only talk about things that are not going right now because I'm scared. I'm scared for me, my family, future of my kids. I'm scared for everything. So yeah, and just while talking, I made myself self feel better a little bit. Like I do feel a little lighter, but I don't know if I can still sleep. And anybody of my like in my friend circle who comes and say, "यार, गलत हो रहा है." I don't know if they can understand what I'm feeling, and or I can, or I don't think I can understand what they're feeling. One of my family member went to the protest in Delhi, and I don't know what he felt. I don't know. I don't know where we're headed. I just know, and I just feel sad if today you're like, oh, MPs आगे अलग अलग, in the protest, people who probably you don't like. Um, and I was like, yeah, आ गए. But if this was a smart government, which I think it is, they could have come and spoken to all of these kids and resolved this much more prior, no? Like इतना लंबा स्ट्रेच पे आपने जाने ही क्यों दिया? क्योंकि other political parties are waiting to be involved, right? Everybody wants a piece of cake. Everybody wants to turn it into a political agenda. At least I feel like that. So yes, it started for the kids and for the education system and betterment of it. And I still think it is. But when you talk about other people getting involved, other political parties getting involved, I feel like nobody can control. अगर आज मैं धरना दे के बैठ जाऊं, कोई मुझसे मिलना है, मैं क्या बोलूंगी? मत मिलो. Like Like, tell me, I want to be informed and I want to, like, I want to learn. This is not something that I'm saying कि वो मैं कह रही हूँ तो सही है. मैं कह रही हूँ, क्या करोगे आप अगर एक प्रोटेस्ट पे जिस गवर्नमेंट से आप जवाब चाहते हो वो नहीं आ रही है और बाकी के एमपीज और बाकी के मिनिस्टर्स आ रहे हैं, आप क्या करोगे? उन्हें उन्हें भगा दोगे? आप तो सोचोगे ना कि कोई पावरफुल इंसान आके आपको सपोर्ट करे, आपका आवाज सुने, आपका आवाज बने. एंड आई डोंट सी एनीथिंग रॉन्ग इन दैट. So I honestly didn't see anything wrong in the protest. And I'm really open for a discussion. I'm really open to understand and know better. Like all my friends who have posted saying, "Oh, this is a propaganda, or this is a some agenda behind it, or disrespect of the nation." I really want to know your point of view. Like I genuinely want to know. Not to tell you that, oh, you're stupid. No. I genuinely want to know what is your take. मतलब 20 बच्चों की 22 बच्चों की मौत हो जाएगी एंड दैट्स ओके. कैन यू इमेजिन योर चाइल्ड इन दैट प्लेस एवर? आई कांट. लाइक मैं सोचती भी हूँ तो मेरी रूह ही तन वो हो जाती है बिल्कुल खराब. फना ही हो जाती है इज द राइट वर्ड बेसिकली. So I don't know if you can ever imagine your kid. And if you do, then also do you think this is all some propaganda, some agenda, something? I don't know. I don't know. I feel hopeless and hopeful at the same time. I feel informed and yes, less informed at the same time. I feel it's a paradox that I'm living. And I feel like I really want to know better and do better myself, for my family, for my country, for everything in totality. But every day, the kind of little hope and the little hopelessness that comes, it's really like bothering. I'm more than happy for people who are very like, ये सही हो रहा है, ये गलत हो रहा है. I'm just somewhere in the middle. I'm still trying to figure all it out. I'm like moral grounding पे मेरे लिए ये बहुत जरूरी चीज है जो हो रही है. But propaganda, भारत माता की, there's some post saying भारत माता की निंदा करी and I'm like how? Like tell me how? मैं आज वीडियोस देख रही थी और वीडियोस देखते हुए मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि जब बैरिकेड्स के बाहर लाठीचार्ज हुआ, आई कुड ओनली सीन दैट वीडियो सम 20-30 पुलिस रैफ पीपल, ओके. एंड जनता थी मैसिव. सो इन माई हेड आई वाज लाइक, तुम मार रहे हो और ये मार खा रहे हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट, राइट? अगर यही दंगे करने होते, अगर यही कोई एजेंडा प्रोपेगेंडा होता, अगर यही न्यूसेंस क्रिएट करनी होती, ये इतनी तादाद में है कि ये तुम्हें पलट के मारते, ये तुम पे पलट के हावी हो सकते थे, बट ये नहीं हुए. एंड मतलब हम, मुझे नहीं लगता मैं 100 लोगों को भी कंट्रोल कर सकती हूँ, बट टू कंट्रोल n number of people in a protest, in the sense ki to tell them to have a peaceful protest and them to abide by it is such a beautiful thing. And मारे जा रहे हैं और मुझे बुरा बुरा लग रहा है. बट अगेन अगेन द होल पैराडॉक्स कि जो पुलिस रैफ सीआरपीएफ है वो अपना काम कर रही है, राइट? तो कैन आई, like I feel bad, but can I hold them accountable? I don't know. Yes, they might have, a lot of them would have children in their house, but they also need to run their houses. They need to earn money. They need to serve the country and they need to abide by the law. So I don't know. Like it's a mixed feeling, how when I'm stuck in between, and that's why I'm more troubled. Whatever this is, I just feel like I hope it gets sorted soon. I hope this unrest that I'm feeling, and I'm sure a lot of people are feeling, I hope this gets sorted soon. I hope my children while growing up can feel the amount of safety that I felt in this country. I genuinely hope they get a good education system that I did. For the longest time in my life, I did not feel any discrimination, any negativity, any disproportions. And now that my children are growing up, I just feel like I hope they feel the same. I hope they love the country like we do. So yeah, that's it. एक और चीज़ जो मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि ठीक है, पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स पावर मनी एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट फाइन ग्रेट, बट ये सब यहीं रह जाना है भाई. हम सब ने मरना है इवेंचुअली. तो जो भी आप ये गंद फैला रहे हो, राइट, जो भी आप बुरा कर रहे हो फॉर फॉर द सेक ऑफ पावर ही कर रहे हो ना, फॉर द सेक ऑफ मनी पावर समथिंग समथिंग यू आर गेटिंग आउट ऑफ इट, ये सब यहीं रह जाना है. Only and only if you do good deeds, and only if you do better for people, for nation, for in general, is when people are gonna remember you. I mean, याद हिटलर को भी रखा जाता है, बट क्या आपको वैसे याद होना है? मे बी. The purpose of a propaganda is to make one set of people forget the that the other set of people are also human. Now, if you relate this to the protest, how can this be a propaganda? And if it is, which side is doing a propaganda?